Your dryer runs but produces zero heat. Clothes come out cold and damp after a full cycle. Most likely cause: the heating element is burned out. The heating element is a coil inside your dryer that generates heat. When it burns out, it breaks the circuit and no heat is produced. On electric dryers, this is the #1 cause of no heat after the thermal fuse. How to tell? Run the dryer on high heat for 5 minutes. Open the door. If the drum is spinning but the air inside is room temperature, the element is probably done. Cost to replace: $150 to $300 depending on the brand. The element part itself costs $40 to $80. The rest is labor. Samsung and LG elements tend to cost more. Whirlpool and GE are cheaper. How long do they last? 8 to 15 years depending on usage. Running your dryer on high heat all the time shortens the lifespan. So does a clogged vent. Restricted airflow causes the element to overheat and burn out prematurely. Can you prevent it? Yes. Clean the lint filter every load. Get the vent cleaned annually. Use medium heat instead of high for everyday loads. After replacing the element, we always check the vent airflow and the thermal fuse. If the vent caused the burnout, just replacing the element doesn't fix the root cause. Same-day dryer element replacement. All brands: Port St. Lucie, Stewart, Fort Pierce, Jensen Beach, Palm City. Call Treasure Coast Appliance Repair at 772-353-5791.